Hi guys, Portia here, and today I want to show you how I made the Naruto Akatsuki Cloud symbol. In one of my previous videos, I put it on a mask for my son. He wanted to wear it for his first day of school, and I used a hat press to get the image pressed onto the mask. But since then, I've had questions about where do you actually get the symbol from. So I did look around online. I wanted to purchase the symbol and I could not find it. So I ended up having to make one on my own. So let me show you guys what I did to do that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is start off in Clipping Magic. So I've already downloaded the images that I'm going to use. So I got a cloud, so the Akatsuki Cloud, and then I got an outline of the actual cloud. So we're going to go ahead and open that up, and what we're doing is going to actually remove the background. So it has already, the app Clipping Magic has removed the background for us, so we're all good there. So I'm going to just go ahead and download that. All right. And so from here, we are going to upload the outline. And the background has been removed for us once again. So we're going to go ahead and download that. All right, so now let's flip on over to Design Space. And we are going to upload our images that we just removed the background for. And we're going to bring in our two images, the outline and the cloud itself, insert it into our project. All right, so I want to change the cloud color to red. I don't have to because it's all in the vinyl, right? But we're just going to change it to red. Now, I am going to leave the outline black, although I'm going to use, or I ended up using white vinyl to print it out, but that doesn't matter. So at this point, what you are going to do, depending upon the size that you need for your particular piece that you're working on, you adjust your image to whatever size it's going to be. Today, because just for reference purposes, we don't need it to be a particular size. And what we do is we layer the outline on top of the actual cloud symbol itself. And you pretty much play around with it until you get it to your particular liking. And let me show you how it printed out on the actual mask. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to Color Me Portia. But until next time, peace.